This is a video of an unveiling on a bike that I've done. A little note, so this is like a week and a half later. Why? Because the footage of the intro, outro, and me putting the lights together got lost. It just, we don't know what happened to it. It's not there. I can't re-record it because I've already put it on the bike. But if you guys want that, I can talk about it a little later. But essentially, here's the bike. I'll unveil it to you guys. I really hope you like it. Some of the things that I want you guys to know, especially like a week and a half later looking at it, when you're wrapping a motorcycle plastic, the wrapper's gonna it's gonna want to come up, especially in places where you have recesses. So again, this is my first time wrapping like a bigger vehicle. Honestly, a car or a truck is easier because there's less angles, there's less recesses, there are less areas that you have to press the vinyl into and cut around. And that's one of the issues that I'm seeing right now. But I mean, I'll figure it out, and then I'll do another video on 100, 200 miles into the bike. What it's like, what is the wrap like, how is it holding up? And I can tell you, in the rear it's perfect. Up front, having a little bit of issues. But again, that's what I'm telling you guys. If you're wrapping a motorcycle, which majority of it is like plastic fairings, unless you have like a Harley, you're gonna have a hard time keeping it down. I would recommend using like duct tape or some kind of sealer for the edges to keep the edges down, because once the edges start coming up, it starts allowing air. And once you start allowing air, you start getting air bubbles and stuff like that. But anyways, without further ado, I'm about to show you the bike. right, guys, it is day 2, and oh, let me back up. It's day 2, and it's time. I'm back to finish putting it together. As you see, still have to put some stuff right here. Still got to take the seat off to finish the seat area. But pretty much once that's done, the motorcycle is done. I went to the store and I picked up the attachment I needed to put the God, I keep forgetting what I call these. Whatever the fender protectors are, I can't think of the word right now. But I went to get the socket for it, so now I'm good to go. So let's get to it. Alright guys, really quickly, so run into some hiccups trying to install the fender eliminator. So just want to let you guys know this thing, because if you got the one that I got for the R7, this is how you're gonna have to install it. So when you get the kit, you're going to get the two long screws, right? So the two long screws come out to right here. If you look down, let me back off. So you got bam, and you got bam right there. So if you look through here, you see, do I need to zoom out a little bit? Yeah, so right here. So they come through here, but the screws are so long that if you don't have like some type of stopper, I don't know what else to call it, but I got the rubber ones that come with like the bar ends when you buy them, depending on the configuration they have. Just use those with the screw, and if you tighten this down, it will eventually crush this. Not crush it, but it'll get so much tension that it'll stop, and this will be stiff. So I did that on both sides, and trust me, you'll still have space. The next part to that, let me move this out the way, still moving this. You're gonna have to push this part up to get this on. But once you have this on, oh my bad, I didn't know you guys can see. But once you have this piece on, where's the other piece? The other piece is right here. So once you have these two on, you attach it to this, which is what your license plate is gonna go to. Just looking right there. So is it gonna be the same thing as the R6? How it's set up? No. But will it work? Yes. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that. So let's get back to it. All right, folks. So big thing you want to do. So the easy part is connecting this up to power, right? All you do is connect the original harness into it. But in terms of the turn signals, you got two wires, yellow and blue. And you're gonna connect those yellow and blue wires. Either the yellow is gonna go to the brown wire with this bracket, or it's gonna go to the brown wire with this one. You don't need a ground, so the black wire is unnecessary. So what I recommend doing, so I'm gonna show you right now, this is all you gotta do. Let's keep this from moving. You're gonna snip, just snip it, right? You're not gonna use this shit anymore. Snip it to the point to where you have extra wire if you need it. So snip it down towards the bottom. Boom, done, good to go. Not gonna be used. This isn't essential because that's for this light right here. Not gonna use that. And if I need to do something with that, that's easy. You just knock something down, babe. No. But if I need to do something with it, that's easy. So the white bracket is the white bracket. I mean, the white bracket is the right bracket. So white to right is red. Oh my God. So white to white is the right side turn signal. Black to black is the left side turn signal. So just make sure you guys know that. Now I'm about to see which one of these is right. I don't even know if they have it on there. Doesn't matter, I can test it and see, so that's what I'm gonna do. And when I figure it out, I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, I pretty much say we're at, oh snap. Alright, so I pretty much say we're at the final part, so let's get these tires dressed up. Let's get them good to go. Let's get the wheels good to go and let's get these suckers on. So once again, it's proven that it takes longer than expected, which is why I always told you guys, hey, if you need to take more time, take your time. If it takes an extra day or so, that's cool. I still have to add on a little bit, but as you see, this is what we, for the majority, got. I already told you guys about the tank. You gotta do this a little bit later. I'm pretty sure this is like, oh man, that's hot, that's fire. Hey, it may be. So just giving you guys a walk around. So I pretty much wrapped the bike in like a ultimate high gloss red from Vivid. I had red spikes, but I was like, F it, let's put on some black spikes. So I put black spikes on. I haven't gotten the mirror block on plates yet. Trust and believe they're coming. I don't know. I don't necessarily feel the mirrors. That's just me. Carbon fiber right here. I did that in carbon fiber. And if you're looking, you know, I just put that back on. So I did red and carbon fiber with the wheel fairing. If they got a good look at that, and got the flush mounted turn signals. Everything's good to go right there. Yes, sir. Gee. Man. Anyway, I haven't put on the God, I can't even think of it, but you'll see it when I jump to the next part of the video. So that's pretty much what we got. I put on the brake and clutch lever guards. I put on aftermarket grips. Oh, gotta tighten that up, but anyway, you get the point. I actually loosened it because I'm a little unsure, but we'll see what we keep if we do that or if we do the other thing. Aftermarket grips. Got the stripes going back here. I did that myself. Got the aftermarket tail light right there. I have the TST Industries license plate adapter, and it eliminated that ugly ass fender. But like I said, when we jump, like in a couple of seconds, you'll see it. And boom! I just want to show you guys how the lights look right now, so you can see the turn signals, so you can see all that other stuff. And let's check it out. All right, so you should see the tail light. All right, I'm gonna turn the turn signal on, right? Boom, it's an integrated tail light. Check the right side out. Yes, sir. Blinking at the same time. Yes, sir. Let's check the left side. Left side good. And then you got the left side turn signal right there. Let's turn that on. And then you have the brake. And that's what we got right now. For the most part, I am done. I do still have some small things to add on, so you guys will see that literally in a matter of minutes, maybe even seconds. So yeah, that's what we got right now. So in a couple of seconds, matter of fact, in 5, 4, 3, 2. Anyways, you guys have seen it walk around with the bike. Look, I'm loving it. I'm 100% loving the bike. And this is still a week and a half later because I lost the intro and the outro, but I mean, it's phenomenal. Like, the bike ride's great. It's a perfect bike for riding around the city, riding around town. It's not overly uncomfortable after a while. I 100% recommend, like, you guys to go get it. Like, go out and get this bike. Do what you want to with it. Make the modifications you want. And know that there are a lot of parts out there. Yes, this is gonna say, yeah, we don't recommend this, or this doesn't fit. It fits. It 100% fits. Just because it has another bike's name on it doesn't mean it doesn't fit. For example, like the levers. You can use aftermarket levers for another bike. I 100% promise you. If it doesn't fit, send it back. Find something that does. Try an R6. Try an R1. Try the MT-07 or MT-09 clutch and brake levers. I guarantee you it's gonna fit. Now, some things I'm telling you coming up, so be on the lookout. I don't know. I may or may not change the windscreen out. We'll see about that. Definitely got some more stuff coming up for the wheels and tires. You'll see about that. Eventually, I'll change the wrap up. Just being 100 with you guys. Gonna change it up, give it a different look. But for right now, gonna hold on to it. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. This is like the Red Demon. It's rugged red. It is rugged. It's my first time. It's like, it's a beauty. I really do prize it. I thank God for it. I couldn't have any of this without him. But yeah, just want to tell you guys, thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, if you want to see more, smash that like button, smash the bell for notifications, subscribe, and we're going to be coming back to you more, and some more. So, without further ado, we out.